This video is about setting up the iBOS controller to work with a fixed IP address. Okay, you'll need a couple things to get started. You'll need the software, and that's step one. You want to install it onto your laptop or computer. Just hit setup, and that'll take you through the install wizard that will install it on there. You're going to see it should come right up, and it's going to try to connect automatically to the COM port, which you won't because we haven't done step two. Step two is we'll be connecting your computer with this USB adapter to the iBOS. Notice the RJ45 jack goes to the iBOS and USB will go to your computer. On the iBOS unit, just open the door. You'll see the real-time monitor port that's available. Just click it in. Make sure you have a nice snug connection. And then on your laptop, just tie in the USB. A driver disk is also included. Okay, so now that we have the unit attached to the control box, we're going to try this again. We're going to go into connect and hit the connection. So now you can see it's trying COM port 7, which turns out to be the correct port. So now as we see this box scrolling, we know we're connected to real-time monitor. We can always resize the box here to whatever size we need to look at. So we can see there's already 2 pulls going. So we need to go into the control box setup. So as we go into the setup, then we're going to go into the advanced mode to enter the data. The password is iBOS world. Say OK. Then it opens up the screen where we can now set the dial-up method, which we want to use Ethernet. And we're going to put the mode in fixed. We'll type in the IP address, Netmask, and gateway. So we just put the cursor right here in the IP address that we want to type in this case 10.71-87-26.26. Go down to the Netmask now. Okay, so once you do that, you would say OK. So now what I want to do is one more time just check to make sure that that information was sent and received by the control box. So I want to hit advanced iBOS WORLD, all lowercase, and got it on the second try. So there it is, fixed Ethernet IP. Good. Now the last item to do is just to reboot the box. We would disconnect from real-time monitor, unplug the box, count to 10, and restart the box up. Say we did that, so we would come back in here, reestablish connection, and then what I want to do is go back into control, and then I want to do an upload test. Click on that upload test. The box will now attempt to send information. Okay, so to confirm that it's actually going up there, confirm from the control box itself the front screen. That blue LED screen, and it'll show time since last upload. Okay, so in this example you see none, but on your box you should see a counter, and that number will begin to count up if you had a successful upload from 0.